to another video. Today we have Lowe's 1 day only deals of the day. So as you guys know, as the other store does have deals of the day, this one does have their own deals of the day too, from Lowe's. Let me just show you how you guys get there. First of all, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let me just go back here to the main page. So you're at the main page here, you're going to go down. I don't know how to do it on mobile yet, but I know on here you can go to deals of the day. They need to just put it easier on the mobile device because I couldn't find it there. So you got deals of the day. It says 1 day only, deal of the day while supplies last. Head check back tomorrow for a new deal. So never miss a deal. Okay. So you got the hours and minutes here. I don't know why it just didn't do it, but it's alright. What happened here? It's already having a it's already having a bad day here. Alright, deals of the day. Alright, there we go. This is what we needed. So we got the hours and minutes up here. And select DEWALT 20 volt brushless tools. Save up to $110. So this is the deal of the day. Thursdays, I guess. Thursday onlys. Let's see here. The first one, we got two 20 volt max line cordless, brushless drill driver and impact driver for $159. This is not necessarily the best deal, but it does include a bag on the back. And it does include a hammer drill and an impact driver. And they are brushless. So, and these batteries are just entry level. So this is just an entry level toolkit. Not necessarily top of the line 887. I don't know if this is an 8. I don't think this is an 887. It's a 787. Yeah, it's a 787. So, and you got the DCD 778. So both the impact drill, yeah, and these batteries are like really small, and they don't even have the gauges on them. So this is very entry level type of thing here. So on this one, you got $99 for the 1/2 inch max variable speed brushless cordless drill driver with hammer drill, which is the same thing as this, but you get the nice batteries with the gauge. So it's a good deal, an okay deal, not the best, but it's an okay deal. Because you're getting the hammer drill, so it makes a good deal. $249. You get this. What is this? With the paddle switch. I know what they are. Angle grinders. So you got the angle grinder here. This is the XR 4.5 20 volt max paddle switch brushless cordless angle grinder. Charge included 2 batteries. For $249. Hurry, deal ends. So, alright, let's see here. So you get 2 batteries there. This is the reciprocating saw. This is the compact, the smaller one. One of the new ones that they have out. So $169. It says DEWALT XR 20 volt max variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw, charger and battery included. You get a 5. You get a nice little zip up case made in the USA logo. And that's it, guys. So just I'm gonna keep on track of these, let you guys know what's going on, if it's Thursday the day or if it's every day or whatnot. So I'll let you guys know. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.